Hello guys, so if you're looking to add Printify in your Shopify store, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, and it's a very simple process. So all you have to do is just simply open your browser and go to your Shopify store, then just simply go to your online store. After that, click on apps over here, then click on apps and sales channel settings over here. Now from there, just simply click on Shopify App Store. Now in the App Store, just simply search for the name Printify. Then open Printify Print on Demand, or just simply choose Printify as a search. Then click on this option over here, and after that click on Add App. Now after the app is showing over here, just simply click on Install App. Now again wait for a few seconds. Now just simply log in with your Printify account. So yes, you must have a Printify account, or you can just simply sign up if you want that. But for me, I'll just simply log in with my Printify account. So after that, all you have to do is just simply add your product and designs, and you can start selling your design clothes. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.